guys, welcome to the channel. Blackout Bill here. If you're seeing this, you are not a subscriber. Shame on you. Easily rectified. Click the subscribe button. Help me out. I'm always trying to get to 1,000 just so that I can stop saying that, basically. And what we do here at this channel is fix stuff. We repair stuff. We try to have a little bit of fun. And mostly both motors, a lot of cars. If it's my own car, currently I have a Ford Explorer. I have some videos of a Nissan Xterra, which is now wrecked. An Audi A6. I have a Dodge Ram pickup I got a lot of videos on. And that's it. It's a lot of how-to, a lot of repair videos, and I'm always trying to up my game. So please subscribe, and we hope to see you in the future. Here's a couple little quick snippets of what we do around here, and I hope you enjoy. I got an idea that I want to share. Don't like it, so what? Don't care. Fall. Fall. Do not fall. Do not fall. Blackout Bill, you got a 200-pound motor balancing on a tip. What do you expect? Expect it to stay.